So there's a lot of different vocabulary that we use when talking about furniture, and it can be really confusing. So we're going to start a series going through some of the more common terms and making sure we know what they mean. So the first word is varnish. So a varnish is a mixture of a resin, a drying oil, and a thinner. There are two main types of thinners used, an oil-based thinner or a water-based thinner. The pro of using a water-based thinner is that there's less odor and your wood table is less likely to turn yellow over time. But an oil-based thinner will have more protection in your varnish. So you could also have a spirit or alcohol-based varnish, or you could have a natural varnish that the thinner is actually tree sap. So this varnish is then applied to your wood table, and it gives protection for the table against stains and against scratches. There are lots of other types of varnishes out there, like yacht varnish that is used to protect boats against weather and fungus, exterior varnishes that protect against UV radiation, and even polyurethane varnish that's used for floors that are going to have lots of wear and tear. So when picking what type of varnish you should use for your table, you need to consider the location of the piece of furniture as well as how much traffic it's going to see. This is commonly confused with a lacquer. So stay tuned for our next vocab word for the difference between a varnish and a lacquer.